Global Barcoding Technology Sdn Bhd. If you are interested in knowing more about our company, you can visit our official website and our Facebook page. For further inquiries, you can directly email our marketing manager, Ms. Stephanie. In this video, I want to share the SQL accounting tutorial. For today's lesson, I'm going to show you on customer modules for customer invoice transaction. Okay, the difference between customer invoice and sales invoice is in customer invoice you cannot select the quantity. You cannot choose or include how many quantity per item that you want. That feature can only be applied in sales invoice. It is because the top three modules over here, general ledger, customer and supplier, are accounting module where there is no item quantity involved. All regarding the item and quantity will be in these three bottom module: sales, purchase and stock. So whenever it involves item and quantity, you will key in sale invoice. So let's now start by creating a customer invoice. Click on invoice. Okay, the first thing that you will see is a listing of the previous invoice. As you can see here, the empty row over here is an area for searching. If you want to search the previous transaction based on the invoice number, you can key in here. But if you don't remember, you can also search based on other criteria. For example, like the customer name. You can just key in the customer name over here, and then it will show you all the previous transaction for that company. You can also use another criteria. Right click on the column header and go to the field chooser. You can drag out any field or information that you want to use as the searching criteria. For example, like the due date, drag and put on the column header right here. Okay, and then another interesting part is you can actually export all the information and data here. Right click on the column header and go to Create Export. You can export either to Microsoft Excel, HTML, text or XML. So now let's create a new invoice transaction. Click on New button here. The first thing you have to do is key in the customer name. As you can see here, I'm using the company name as the focus key for my searching criteria. If you want to search based on other criteria, you can tap on the tab button on your keyboard, then it will shift to another column. But for me personally, it will be much more easier to use the name as the searching criteria. And then you can key in the item by click on the plus sign over here and enter the item code. As you can see, I'm using the description as the focus key of the searching for the item as well. It will be much more easier than remembering the item code. You can edit the amount over here. If you want to include text, you can put it over here. And for example, let's say you want to include some discount, and then you click on the right button and go to the field chooser, but you cannot find any discount field over in the field chooser. It is because actually whenever it's related to discount, it must link to the item and quantity. So since this is a customer invoice, there is no item and quantity for this module, so you cannot actually give the discount over here. Usually the customer invoice is for the actual amount only. If you want to add the discount, you can key in this again in the sales invoice. So once you're done, just click on the save button here. As you can see, the invoice number is automatically updated by the system because this system actually have the auto running number. This is this document, this transaction is actually for the account document. So you don't usually the customer don't really want the copy of customer invoice, but if you still want to print it, you can click on the preview button here and then choose the template that you wish and then followed by OK. So this is the report for the transaction you just created. So basically this is how you key in the customer invoice. That's all from me today. I'm Aini from Global Barcoding Technologies in Bahait. Thank you.